Huawei has just announced the release of its new Honor 9 Lite in India on January 2017. This is the Huawei Honor 9 Lite. It has an attractive all-glass design with an aluminum frame, with an average thickness of 7.6 mm. It comes with navy, seagull gray, magic nightfall, pearl white colors. On the front it has a 5.65-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 x 2160, and average pixel density of 428 pixels per inch. It looks stunning with 75.5% of screen-to-body ratio. And spec-wise it is powered by high-silicon Kirin 659 processor, with 4 2.36 GHz and 4 1.7 GHz along with the Mali T830 MP2 graphics processing unit. And it is backed up by 4 GB RAM. This should make it more than capable of handling the most demanding tasks. More interesting is the 16nm chipset, which is more efficient as compared to 28nm chipsets, leading to a better battery life. That battery is a 3000 mAh battery along with fast charging. The phone also comes with 64 or 32 GB of internal storage. But this will be expandable up to 256 GB using an SD card. In terms of software, we will get EMU 8.0. with Android 8.0 Oreo. Last but not least, the rear camera has a 13-megapixel sensor plus 2MP depth sensor. The front-facing camera has also the same sensors. And the fingerprint sensor is placed on the back glass and it is easily reachable. The Honor 9 Lite will be available January 17, 2018, with an expected pricing of 11,000 rupees. So thanks a ton for watching, guys. Hope you found this helpful and interesting. If you did, please consider leaving a like, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified of future videos as I release them.